Welcome back to Tech Tides, the podcast where innovation meets impact, and we ride the wave of what's transforming today's business world. I'm your host, and you've just tuned in to episode 2, and trust me, this one's packed. Today, we're diving into how businesses are already using powerful technologies like automation, predictive analytics, and AI-driven customer service, not in labs or think tanks, but in boardrooms, call centers, and frontline operations. Let's start with automation. It's no longer just an enterprise buzzword, it's the quiet engine running modern business. We're talking about bots that reconcile financial reports overnight, software that screens resumes faster than any human could, and systems that track inventory across multiple warehouses in real time. Think of automation as your company's behind-the-scenes superpower, making things smoother, faster, and way more cost-efficient. And here's the thing, it's not just about replacing humans. It's about enabling teams to focus on the meaningful stuff. The strategy, the innovation, the human touch. Now on to predictive analytics, the crystal ball of the business world. Every company has data, but smart companies are now using that data to forecast demand, personalize marketing, and make faster decisions. All thanks to machine learning models that find patterns even the sharpest analysts might miss. Retailers are stocking shelves with exactly what customers will want next month. Insurance companies are predicting risk more accurately. Even sports teams are optimizing player performance using this tech. It's not magic, it's math, and it's making businesses sharper, faster, and future-ready. And finally, let's talk about what your customers see first, AI-driven customer service. This is where AI really flexes. Chatbots are evolving. They now understand tone, language, intent, even emotion. They can offer real-time solutions, recommend products, and escalate when needed, all while collecting valuable data in the background. Brands aren't using this to replace human support. They're using it to enhance it, offering 24/7 service without burnout, without lag, and without sacrificing quality. Customer satisfaction goes up. Response times go down. It's a win-win. So whether it's eliminating the busy work with automation, forecasting the future with predictive analytics, or delighting customers with AI, one thing's for sure. The tide has already turned. And businesses riding this wave aren't just surviving, they're thriving. Thanks for joining us on episode 2 of Tech Tides. Make sure to subscribe, share, and join us next time as we explore more ways technology is reshaping the business world, one tide at a time.